Hey guys, welcome back to the Techy. Today we'll be showing you how to create grime art on PicsArt.
Perfect.
First, select an image of your preference. Now go to Draw and select the brush tool. Decrease its size and start drawing on the image. What we are aiming for here is to create a grimy effect. To achieve the look, you will need to draw various droplet shapes as shown. Make sure that you outline all of the facial features as well. Also, make sure that the outline of the edited portion is all connected. Draw in additional drops and lines wherever you see fit. Remember to zoom out and estimate the placement of the drops. When satisfied, go to the layer section and create a new empty layer. Then select the brush color pink as shown. Increase the brush size and start painting the grime with it. The trick is to start from the edges and fill in from there. Now decrease the brush size and choose the color black. With this, fill in the eyebrow excluding the drips. Next, with the brush color white, fill in the eye.
Perfect.
Now from the layer section again, add in another empty layer. Select a darker shade of the pink and create shadows with it. Decrease the brush size for precision. Remember, patience is key. Your grime art is now ready. So that's it for the tutorial. Thank you for stopping by at the Techy. Do subscribe and like the video and speak your mind in the comment section below on what you want to see next. Thank you for watching. See you all next time.